Hi, everyone, and welcome back to English Conversation Practice Podcast. I'm Sophie.
Hi, everyone. I'm Alex. It's really nice to have you here with us again.
Today, we're doing something super useful and honestly, something you will use in real life many, many times.
Yes, and I think today's topic will help a lot of learners feel more confident.
Let me ask you this. Have you ever felt nervous ordering food in English? Like, you walk into a restaurant, you look at the menu, and suddenly your brain just freezes?
Oh, yes, that happens to so many learners. Even people at intermediate or advanced levels sometimes feel stressed.
So today, we're going to make it very simple
Very friendly.
and very easy to use in real life, right after this lesson.
After today, you'll know exactly what to say when ordering food in English.
You'll learn simple phrases, natural expressions, and little sentences you can use in restaurants, cafes, fast food places, anywhere.
And hey, if you want more easy, slow English lessons like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video. It really helps us a lot.
Yes, please do. Thank you so much. And thank you for being here with us today.
Okay, Sophie, let's get into it.
Let's do it. So, Alex, imagine we're going to a restaurant together.
Nice. I'm already hungry.
Same. So, let's imagine this is a simple, casual restaurant. Nothing fancy. Friendly, relaxed.
Perfect. So, what's the first thing we usually hear when we walk in?
Usually, the host or server says something like, "Hi, welcome. How many people?"
Yes, this question is really common. How many people? It means how many people are eating.
And the simple answer is,
2 people, please.
right. Very easy. Don't make it complicated. You don't need big sentences.
Exactly. Short is good.
So, let's imagine we walk in. The server says, "Hi, welcome. How many people?"
And we answer, 2 people, please.
Perfect. Then maybe they say, "This way, please," and take us to a table.
And sometimes they give you menus.
Yes. And sometimes they say, "Your server will be with you soon." That means the person who takes your order will come to the table in a moment.
Good, simple phrase. Your server will be with you soon.
So let's sit down at the table.
Ah, nice.
I always look at the drinks first.
Same. And usually the server comes and says, "Hi, can I get you something to drink?"
Very common question.
And you can say something simple like, "Yes, I'd like water,"
Or a lemonade, please.
or "Just water for me."
You don't need to say, "I would like to have," or anything big like that. Simple is best.
Yes, I'd like, or even just "Water, please." Very natural.
After drinks, the server will ask something like, "Are you ready to order?"
And you can say, "Yes, I'm ready." Or, "Yes, I'd like the chicken sandwich." Or, "Not yet. A few more minutes, please."
That last one is very useful.
Yes, a few more minutes, please. It means I need a little more time to choose.
So, Alex, what are you ordering today?
Let me think. Maybe a burger.
Classic choice.
And you?
I think I'll get pasta.
Good choice.
When we tell the server what we want, we can say, "I'd like the pasta," or "Can I have the pasta, please?" Both are perfect.
Yes. And don't worry about sounding super formal. Restaurants are usually relaxed.
And if you want to ask a question, you can say, "What do you recommend?" Or "What comes with the burger?" Or "Is this spicy?"
That one is very important.
Yes, some food can be really spicy.
Okay, should we continue with what happens next?
Yes, let's move into the next part naturally.
So we ordered our food, drinks are on the table, and now we're waiting.
This is usually a good moment to hear small phrases from the server.
Yes, like, how's everything so far?
Or, can I get you anything else?
Those sentences just mean, is everything okay? Do you need something?
And you can answer very simply. Everything's good, thank you. Or, we're okay for now, thanks.
Very natural.
Now, when the food arrives, the server usually says something like, here you go, or enjoy your meal.
And I love that moment.
Me too. Soft laugh.
And you can say, thank you.
Yes, simple and polite.
Okay, let's imagine our food is on the table.
Looks good.
How's your pasta?
It's delicious. Really nice.
My burger is great too.
Now, sometimes the server comes and asks, everything okay?
And you can answer, yes, it's great. Thank you.
Or if something is wrong, you can say it politely.
Yes. For example, excuse me, this is a little cold.
Or, can I have a different drink? This one tastes a bit strange.
But always say it politely. Servers are usually very kind.
Now, let's teach some very useful phrases for asking for things during the meal.
Oh yes, these are important.
If you need something, you can say, excuse me, can I have some napkins? Or, excuse me, can I have some water? Can I get a fork, please?
Very simple, very useful.
And notice, we always start with, excuse me, to be polite.
Another phrase that's very common is, can you refill my water?
Or, can I have more water, please?
Yes, and refill means fill again, add more.
Now, let's talk about something many learners find confusing.
Oh, I know what you're going to say. The difference between check and bill.
Yes. In American English, people say check.
In British English, people say bill.
But don't worry, both words are understood almost everywhere.
So, at the end of the meal, the server might say, are you ready for the check?
Or you can ask, can we have the check, please?
Or, can I get the bill, please?
All are correct.
And sometimes they ask, is this together or separate?
Yes, that means, are you paying together? Or is each person paying their own part?
Together means one person pays for both.
Separate means each person pays for themselves.
Very simple.
Okay, our meal is finished.
I'm very full.
Me too. Let's continue into paying and leaving the restaurant.
So, Alex, the server brings the check to the table.
Yes, usually they put it in a little folder or small book.
And they might say, take your time.
That means, no hurry. You can pay whenever you're ready.
Very friendly phrase.
Now, when we look at the check, sometimes people feel confused.
Yes, because there are different parts: food price, drink price, tax, tip.
Let's explain it very simply.
Tax is extra money added by the government.
And tip is extra money you give to the server to say thank you for the service.
In many countries, like the US, tipping is normal.
Yes, in some other countries, tipping is not required.
So learners might see suggested tip on the check.
That means these are examples of how much you can tip.
But don't worry, if you're traveling, you can always ask.
Yes, you can say, is the tip included?
Very helpful sentence.
So, let's pretend we're ready to pay.
I usually say something like, can I pay with card?
Or, do you take cash?
Very simple.
And sometimes the server brings a small machine to the table.
And sometimes you go to the front counter to pay.
After we finish paying, the server usually says, thank you, have a great day.
Or, thanks so much.
And you can say,
Thank you, you too.
thank you, have a nice day.
Very polite, very natural.
Now, let's imagine this whole situation again, but faster, like a real conversation in a restaurant.
Okay, let's do a short role play.
Server voice, activated. Server Alex. Hi, welcome. How many people?
2 people, please.
This way, please. Here are your menus. Your server will be with you soon. That was good.
Thank you. Server, Sophie. Hi, can I get you something to drink?
Yes, I'd like a lemonade.
Okay. And for you?
You can say, just water for me.
Yes, perfect.
Server Alex. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the pasta.
And I'll have the burger. Great, thank you. Then the food arrives.
And the server might ask, everything okay?
And we say, yes, thank you. After eating,
We ask for the check. Can we have the check, please?
then we pay.
And we leave.
Perfect. Very natural.
Very easy to copy.
Now let's continue with some extra helpful phrases learners can use in many different restaurants.
Yes, let's do that.
Sometimes when you're reading a menu, you might not understand something. Yes, and that's okay. You can always ask questions.
For example, what is this dish? What's in this? Does this contain meat?
Or, is this vegetarian? Very useful. If you want to choose how your food is cooked, you might hear questions like, how would you like it cooked?
This is often for steak.
Yes, and the answers are rare, medium, well done.
But if you don't understand it, you can say, medium, please. That's the safest option.
Another important thing is allergies.
Yes, if you can't eat something, you can say, I'm allergic to nuts. I can't eat dairy. I can't eat gluten.
This helps the server keep you safe. And for choosing between options, you can say, what do you recommend? What's popular here?
Servers usually love giving suggestions. Sometimes, when you're reading a menu, you might not understand something.
Yes, and that's okay. You can always ask questions.
For example, what is this dish? What's in this? Does this contain meat?
Or, is this vegetarian? Very useful.
If you want to choose how your food is cooked, you might hear questions like, how would you like it cooked?
This is often for steak.
Yes, and the answers are rare, medium, well done.
But if you don't understand it, you can say, medium, please. That's the safest option.
Another important thing is allergies.
Yes, if you can't eat something, you can say, I'm allergic to nuts. I can't eat dairy. I can't eat gluten.
This helps the server keep you safe. And for choosing between options, you can say, what do you recommend? What's popular here?
Servers usually love giving suggestions. Let's teach some dessert phrases too.
Yes, the best part. If the server asks, would you like dessert?
You can say, yes, can I see the dessert menu? Or, no thank you, I'm full.
Very natural.
Now, one more thing learners often find tricky.
For here or to go.
Yes, that's common in cafes or fast food places. For here means you eat inside.
For to go means you take the food with you.
So, the conversation might go like this. Server, hi, what can I get for you?
Yes, I'd like a chicken sandwich.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
Very easy.
Another good phrase is, can I see the menu?
Yes, especially if the menu is not on the table.
And if the restaurant is busy, the host might say, there's a 10-minute wait.
That means you need to wait 10 minutes before you can sit.
And you can say, that's okay.
Or, no problem.
Before we end, let's give a few more phrases learners can practice at home.
Yes, great idea.
So repeat these slowly. I'd like the chicken soup. Can I have a glass of water? I'm ready to order. Can we have the check, please?
And these. This is delicious.
Excuse me, can I have a spoon? Do you have any vegan options? Can I pay with card?
Very useful phrases.
And very simple for beginners.
Okay, I think we covered everything for ordering food at a restaurant.
Yes, this was a really cozy topic. And honestly, now I'm hungry again.
Me too.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
Yes, thank you. If you enjoyed this cozy English conversation, please subscribe, like this video, and share it with someone who wants to learn English too.
And tell us in the comments, what do you usually order at a restaurant?
We would love to read your answers.
All right, see you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone. Take care.